In our project, we were interested in exploring whether an average unsophisticated investor can beat the stock market. We were particularly interested in whether or not common, often mentioned strategies were backed up by any data. We used Wikipedia to get S&P 500 information, Yahoo Finance to get daily price data, and the Federal Reserve website to get macroeconomic data. To measure performance of different strategies, you need a baseline. The returns of the S&P 500 can be used for this purpose. To compare a stock's returns versus the S&P, a regression coefficient needs to be calculated, which is referred to as the beta. We calculated betas using a robust linear regression technique that is resistant to outliers. What factors can one use to predict the stock market? There are a countless number of proposed indicators. We tested a few of the most popular ones. One common indicator is the Bollinger Bands. They show how a stock is trading relative to its moving average. When a stock is near the bottom Bollinger Band, it is thought to be oversold and underpriced. When a stock is near the top band, it is said to be overbought. So we wanted to test strategies along these lines. Given a stock, we would search through its price history until a certain threshold was triggered, and then calculate the performance of the stock after that. Here were the results for the Bollinger Bands. We adjusted returns versus the S&P using the betas we calculated. We looked 15 days ahead from where the signals were triggered and looked at data from 2008 to 2011. The bottom left shows the mean, median, and standard deviation of returns by sector after stocks had gone below the bottom band. As you can see, the standard deviation trumps any possible signal. The graphs on the right just show the means and medians. The bottom right is for the supposed buy signal, and the top right is for the sell signal. The mean performance was actually positive in both cases, but neither was strong or consistent across sectors. Overall, we considered 90 strategies and saw similar results. So in conclusion, we didn't find any merit in the simple strategies we examined. That's not to say the factors are useless, because maybe more complex combinations of them are more powerful.